Let us do one more problem on bank reconciliation statement. In our earlier video also we solved a problem on bank reconciliation statement. Let us do one more problem now. Ninth problem. Balance as per passbook of Mr. Kumar is rupees 3000. Checks paid into bank but not yet cleared. Ram Kumar 1000, Kishore Kumar 500. That means we have received two checks from Ram Kumar and Kishore Kumar. These have been deposited in the bank but they have not got cleared. That means money has not come into our bank account. Bank charges rupees 300. What happens for bank charges? Bank charges will be recorded by the bank, but it will be recorded in the cash book only when we come to know that bank charges have been charged. So it has not been recorded in the cash book. Checks issued but not presented. Hamid 2000 and Kapoor 500. We have issued checks to Hamid and Kapoor, but the checks were not presented for payment. Interest entered in the passbook but not entered in the cash book rupees 100. Prepare bank reconciliation statement. We have to arrive at the cash book balance. So let us start with our working notes. Again we are going to start with the passbook balance and try to arrive at the cash book balance. This is the withdrawal side, this is the deposit side, withdrawal side and the deposit side. The passbook balance is how much? Rupees 3000. We'll put a star mark to cash book to remind ourselves that we have to make passbook equal to cash book. Bank reconciliation statement of Mr. Kumar. As on, the date has not been given. Let us write 31st December of some particular year. Particulars. Rupees and rupees. Bank balance as per passbook. Bank balance as per passbook is rupees 3000. We have to make some additions and we would have to less some items to arrive at the cash book balance. Let us start. Checks paid into bank but not yet cleared. Ram Kumar 1000 and Kishore Kumar 500. These checks were received, so as soon as we receive the checks we record a deposit in the cash book. On the deposit side, cash book here is nothing but the bank account. We pass an entry bank account letter to customers. So bank account has already been debited. Checks have been deposited in the bank but the checks have not been cleared. That means money has not come from the bank account of Ram Kumar and Kishore Kumar into our bank account. Okay, so now what will happen? The balance in cash book will increase. The passbook balance is lower. So what should we do to the passbook to make it equal to the cash book? I have to increase it by 1500 rupees. Check deposited. Checks deposited but not credited. 1500 rupees. Bank charges rupees 300. No. This is the passbook. This is the cash book. 3000. 3000. Bank charges rupees 300 recorded in the cash book. Withdrawal side. Now it has been recorded in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book. So if bank charges was recorded in both the books, cash book and the passbook, then it will not remain as a reason of difference at all. It will not appear in the problem at all. So the passbook balance will reduce and cash book balance is higher. So now I have to make passbook equal to cash book. So what should I do? I have to increase the passbook balance by 300 rupees. Bank charges not recorded in cash book. Next, checks issued but not presented for payment. Hamid 2000, Kapoor 500. We have issued some checks to parties. As soon as we issue the checks, we record a withdrawal in the cash book 2500, 2500, but the same have not been presented to the bank. That means there is no withdrawal entry in the passbook here. Okay, so the cash balance will reduce. Passbook balance is showing a higher balance. To make cash book equal to passbook, I have to reduce the cash book by 2500. Now Passbook is showing a higher balance, cash book is showing a lower balance. To make passbook equal to cash book, I have to reduce the passbook by 2500. That is the amount by which cash book is showing a lesser balance. So I have to show one more less, one item as less here, 2500. Checks issued but not presented for payment, 2500. Next, interest entered in the passbook, not entered in the cash book, rupees 100. We have been allowed some interest, cash book, passbook, 3000, 3000, 100 rupees. Interest earned entered in the passbook but not entered in the cash book, rupees 100. So passbook is showing a higher balance, cash book is showing a lower balance. So what should I do to the passbook to make it equal to the cash book? I have to reduce it by 100 rupees. Interest earned not recorded in cash book, rupees 100. Now the balance will be 1800 here. 3000 plus 1800 is 4800. 2600, the balance will reduce. So we have bank balance as per cash book, 2200. So the bank balance as per cash book is 2200. So we have been able to arrive at the cash book balance when we started with the passbook balance in this problem as well. I hope you are able to now do the bank reconciliation statement problems with ease. We'll do more problems in our future videos.